Packing for travel is a skill that requires balancing comfort, style, and practicality. Many travelers make the mistake of bringing items they never end up using, while neglecting essentials that could make their trip much easier. Below are 20 detailed explanations of practical travel fashion choices and what to avoid, helping you pack smart and travel in style. First, let's talk about practical travel fashion choices, what you actually need. 1. Versatile clothing maximizes outfit options. Packing versatile clothing, such as neutral-colored tops, jeans, and dresses, allows you to mix and match, creating multiple outfits from just a few pieces. This saves space in your luggage while keeping your style fresh throughout the trip. A black dress, for example, can be dressed up for dinner with accessories or worn casually during the day with sneakers. 2. Lightweight fabrics keep you comfortable. Opt for fabrics like merino wool, moisture-wicking synthetics, or linen. These materials help regulate your body temperature, dry quickly, and are comfortable for all-day wear. Lightweight clothes also prevent you from carrying excess weight, which is crucial for carry-on travel. 3. Wrinkle-resistant clothes mean you don't need to iron. Clothing made from wrinkle-resistant materials such as polyester blends, spandex, or specially treated cotton stays looking fresh even after being packed in a suitcase. This is ideal for travelers who don't want to waste time ironing or searching for laundry services. 4. Comfortable walking shoes are essential to avoid foot pain. No matter where you travel, you'll likely spend a lot of time on your feet. Comfortable sneakers or well-cushioned flats provide support, prevent blisters, and allow you to explore without discomfort. If you plan to hike or walk extensively, invest in high-quality walking shoes with arch support. 5. Layering pieces help you adapt to changing weather. Instead of packing a bulky coat, bring layers such as a cardigan, a scarf, or a lightweight jacket. This way you can adjust your outfit to suit different temperatures and weather conditions. Layering is especially useful in destinations where mornings are cool but afternoons are warm. 6. A packable rain jacket gives some protection without bulk. A compact, foldable rain jacket or poncho is a must-have for unexpected rain showers. It's lightweight, easy to carry, and can save you from getting soaked during sightseeing or outdoor activities. 7. A secure, zippered crossbody bag keeps your belongings safe from pickpockets while allowing easy access to essentials. It's more practical than a handbag because it distributes weight evenly across your body, making it comfortable for all-day use. 8. For long-haul flights or long days of walking, compression socks improve circulation, reduce swelling, and help prevent deep vein thrombosis, or DVT. They are especially helpful if you're prone to leg fatigue during travel. 9. Instead of carrying multiple pieces of jewelry, a couple of versatile accessories like a lightweight scarf or simple stud earrings can enhance your outfits without adding bulk to your luggage. Avoid anything valuable or flashy, as it may attract unwanted attention. 10. Multi-use items make you pack efficiently. Packing items that serve multiple purposes saves space in your luggage. A large scarf or sarong, for example, can be used as a shawl, beach cover-up, blanket, or even a picnic mat. A belt bag can be worn around the waist or as a crossbody for different looks and functions. Now let's talk about impractical travel fashion choices. What's not worth packing? 11. High heels are painful and impractical for walking. Unless you're attending a formal event, leave high heels at home. They are uncomfortable for walking long distances, unsuitable for cobblestone streets or uneven terrain, and take up valuable luggage space. If you need something dressy, opt for stylish yet comfortable wedges or flats. 12. Bulky winter coats take up too much room in your suitcase. Instead, layer a thin thermal base with a lightweight packable down jacket. This combination provides warmth without the unnecessary bulk. 13. Bright, sequined, or overly extravagant outfits can make you stand out in ways that aren't always desirable, especially in conservative or unfamiliar locations. In addition to making you a target for pickpockets, These pieces often aren't practical for a variety of travel scenarios. Instead, opt for stylish but subtle clothing that blends in with the local culture. 14. While stylish, tight clothing can be uncomfortable, especially on long flights, train rides, or road trips, clothes that don't allow for movement or flexibility can make travel days feel exhausting. Opt for looser, breathable options instead. 15. Oversized handbags may look stylish, but can become a burden when traveling. They are heavier to carry, make it harder to find items quickly, and can strain your shoulders. A well-organized crossbody bag or a small backpack is a better alternative. 16. Materials like leather, thick polyester, or heavy denim can trap heat and make you uncomfortable in warm or humid destinations. Stick to breathable fabrics that allow for ventilation and keep you cool. 17. Avoid items that need dry cleaning, ironing, or special washing instructions. Travel should be stress-free, and dealing with delicate clothing while on the go is inconvenient. 18. Overly trendy or seasonal clothing like bright neon colors, flashy prints, or highly seasonal outfits might look great in photos but don't always mix well with other clothes. Sticking to classic neutral-colored clothing ensures versatility and prevents you from overpacking. 19. White or easily stained clothes. It's so hard to keep clean. While white clothing looks fresh and elegant, it's difficult to keep clean, especially when traveling to destinations where laundry facilities may not be accessible. Stick to darker or patterned fabrics that hide stains and don't require frequent washing. 20. Unnecessary hats or headgear. It's difficult to pack and carry. Unless you're heading to a sunny destination where a hat is essential, bulky hats or elaborate headgear can be impractical. They take up space in your luggage and can be easily damaged. If you need sun protection, opt for a foldable hat or a lightweight cap that fits easily into your bag. When packing for travel, comfort, versatility, and practicality should be your top priorities. By choosing multi-use, lightweight, and easy-to-maintain clothing, you'll have a stress-free experience without the burden of carrying unnecessary items. Avoid fashion choices that are bulky, uncomfortable, or difficult to manage on the go. With a well-planned wardrobe, you can travel light while still looking stylish and prepared for any adventure. That's it for today's travel fashion guide. I hope these tips help you pack smarter and travel in style without the extra baggage. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on more travel tips. Let me know in the comments, what's your #1 travel fashion must-have? See you in the next adventure. Safe travels!